Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this question, and the question is x raised to the power 5 minus 1. This is equal to 0. We find the value of x, and so let's start. The given information is x raised to the power 5 minus 1. This is equal to 0. And here we use the identity, which is x raised to the power n minus 1. This is equal to x minus 1 multiply x raised to the power n minus 1 plus x raised to the power n minus 2 plus x raised to the power n minus 3 plus up to so on plus 1. So we use this identity in this equation. So this implies x raised to the power 5 minus 1. This is equal to x minus 1 multiply x. In our case n is a 5, so 5 minus 1 4 plus this will become a 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3, plus next term will become a 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2, plus x 5 minus 4, which is 1, and plus last term will become a 1. So in our question it's given that this is equal to 0, so this implies this whole value x minus 1 x raised to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, this is equal to 0. So this implies one of them must be equal to 0. So x minus 1, this is equal to 0, or x 4 raised to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now look at this. If we add a 1 on both sides, then x is equal to 1, and this is our one answer. Now look at this equation. To solve this equation, first of all we divide this equation by x square on both sides. So this is a x raised to the power 4, divide this by x square, plus this is the x cube, divide this by x square, the next term is the x square, divide this by x square, plus this is a x over x square plus 1 over x square is equal to 0 over x square. Now this first term will become x square, the second term will become plus x, this will cancel, we just get a 1, this will become plus 1 over x, and this is a plus 1 over x square. 0 divided by x square is a 0. Now we rearrange this value. So it's a x square plus we write this 1 over x square, and this is a plus x, and after that we write plus 1 over x, and plus 1 is equal to 0. Now look at this. Here we add and subtract a 2 in this part. So this is a x plus x square plus 1 over x square, add 2 and also subtract 2. Now we write this x plus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now look at this term. This will become a formula of x plus 1 over x whole square, and this is a minus 2 plus x plus 1 over x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we solve these two values. So this will become x plus 1 over x whole square plus x plus 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 is equal to 0. Now in the next step we let that x plus 1 over x is equal to y, then the above equation will become a y square plus y minus 1 is equal to 0, and this is a quadratic equation. So we use a quadratic formula to solve this equation, and the formula is y is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 times ac over 2a, and in our equation a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 1. So we substitute this value. So this is a minus 1 plus minus 1 square is a 1 minus 4 a is 1 and c is minus 1 over 2a is 1. Now we simplify this value. So this is a minus 1 plus minus 1 Minus and minus will become a plus 4 over these two ones are. So this implies y it's equal to minus 1 plus minus 5 over 2. Now we separate this value. So y1 is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and the y2 is equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. And in our question we let that x plus 1 over x is equal to y, and y is equal to this value. So x plus 1 over x is equal to, if we take this value, then this is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Now in the first step, to solve this equation, we multiply this equation by x on both sides. So multiply this side by x and also multiply this side by x. This will become x square plus 1. It's equal to, this is a minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2 times x. So in the next step, we subtract this value on both sides. So we get a x square minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2 x plus 1 is equal to 0. And this will become a quadratic equation. So we use a formula, and the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4 times ac over 2a. So in our case, a is equal to 1 and the b is equal to minus into minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, and c is equal to 1. Now we put this value in this formula. So x is equal to, this is a minus b and b is equal to minus time minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, this minus and in this minus will become a positive minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2 plus minus b. B is a minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2, take a square, minus 4 times a is 1 and c is also 1 over 2, a is 1. This is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2 and plus minus, here we apply a formula. So this is a minus 5 square plus 1 square minus 2 times square root 5, and this is a minus 4 over 4, and this is a 2. Minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2 and plus minus, this square and square root will cancel, we just get, will become a 5 plus 1 minus 2 times square root 5, take LCM, so it's a minus 16 over square root 4 and divide this by 2. So this is equal to minus 1 plus square root 5 over 2 plus minus. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 minus 16 is a minus 10. So we separate a minus 1 and this remaining value become a 10 plus 2 times square root 5 over 2. So in the next step we take a LCM. So this will become a minus 1 plus square root 5 plus minus square root 10 plus 2 times square root 5 and minus 1 square root minus 1, this is equal to iota over 4. So in the next step we separate this value with denominator. So this is a minus 1 over 4 plus square root 5 over 4 plus minus, if we shift this 4 into square root, then this will become a 16. So we separate this value, 10 over 16 minus 2 times square root 5 over 16 iota. So we interchange these two values. So 5 over square root 5 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus minus square root Now this is a 10 over 16. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. So it's a 5 over 8 minus 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. So it's a square root 5 over 2 is a remaining value, and we write a iota. So this is our final answer of x. Now in the next step, we use this part to solve our equation. So x plus 1 over x is equal to y, and y is equal to, in this case, minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2. Solve this equation like above equation. Multiply this equation by x on both sides. So this is equal to x square plus 1, it's equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2 x. Now we shift this part to left hand side. So it's a x square minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2 times x plus 1, it's equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So we use a formula. In our case, a it's 1, b it's equal to minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2, and c is equal to 1. So substitute this value in the quadratic formula. The formula is minus b, and b is equal to this, so minus b will become a positive this value. So we write down minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2, this is a b, plus minus b square, mean minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2 whole square, minus 4, a is 1 and c is also 1 over 2, a is 1. Now we simplify this part. So this is a minus 1 minus square root 5 over 2 plus minus, here we expand this form. So this is a minus 1 square plus minus square root 5 square minus 2 times square root 5 minus 4 over 4, and divide this by 2 ones are 2. Now we simplify this part, then we get a minus 1 over 4 minus square root 5 over 4 plus minus square root 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8 out, and this is our final answer. So we 5 answer from this equation. So in our question, x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to square root 5 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus square root 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8 iota. The second x and x cube is equal to 5 square root 5 over 4 minus 1 over 4 minus square root 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8 iota, and the x4 is equal to minus 5 over 4 minus 1 over 2 plus square root 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8 iota. And the fifth answer is minus square root 5 over 4 minus 1 over 2 and minus square root 5 over 8 minus square root 5 over 8 iota. And we have done. Thank you.